the drummer when you need him.
Hey, just wanted to...
Knock, please.
Yeah, sorry.
Don't just barge in.
Sorry. I just wanted to say you were spot on. It wasn't bed bugs, it was genital herpes. The herb ease cream you recommended worked a treat. You really know your stuff. Ah.
I think you're in the wrong room.
Is this not the office nurse?
No.
Do we have an office nurse?
No.
So many memories.
Are we really going to live in that?
We start from the side fin at the top here. And we cut in one move all along the fish to the tail.
Something in this town. Zach, do you remember what the coffee said?
Are you seriously telling me you haven't had the pleasure of Miss Burden yet?
When left alone, we play hide and seek.
But your poem about spraying dusty snow onto your lover's head, that was... what?
About snow, what else?
Oh, boys, it's time we visited the gardens.
We need to deal with that APC.
Lock and loaded.